And this is your brand new Nissan vehicle. As a first-time car owner, you might have some questions on how to properly care for your vehicle. So, here are the top 10 things you need to know as a new Nissan car owner. As a brand new car owner, one of the things that you should know by heart is car maintenance. So why is it so important? Well, buying a car is more than just getting a set of wheels to take you from point A to point B. It is more like picking your trusted partner, and each partner deserves your commitment. If proper maintenance isn't done, your car might not perform as expected, and it might expose you to unnecessary danger and other expenses. And we don't want that. Remember, a properly maintained car leads to a happy car owner. Which brings us to number 2. Regular maintenance activities are required to keep your car performing at its best. And as a new car owner, it is your responsibility to make sure that your car receives proper TLC in the form of scheduled and general maintenance. Pro tip: generally speaking, periodic maintenance should be done every 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And for your convenience, our dealer marketing officers will contact you a month before your scheduled periodic maintenance service to remind and book a service appointment with you. Remember, even if your car is hardly used, you need to have it serviced regularly following the recommended services in our PMS menu. Detailed information regarding your vehicle's maintenance can be found in the warranty information and maintenance booklet.
Great Nissan Day!
And if you ever need help with car maintenance and repairs, it's time to take it to number 3. What are the advantages of bringing your car to your trusted Nissan dealer for your car's maintenance needs? First, all Nissan technicians are well-trained specialists, fully qualified to work on Nissan vehicles. Second, they are equipped with the latest service information and technical knowledge from your car's manufacturer itself. Third, they use advanced equipment and tools to make sure that your car gets the best service it deserves. And last but definitely not the least, they only use genuine Nissan parts. It is also important to note that failure to comply with the prescribed periodic maintenance schedule and servicing at Nissan authorized dealerships will void your vehicle's warranty. Which brings us to number 4. Nissan guarantees vehicle operation under certain conditions. When warranty applies, the authorized Nissan dealer will repair or replace any defective parts free of charge. Now, you might ask,
what's my car's warranty period?
Well, the new vehicle warranty period for Nissan vehicles is 3 years from date of delivery or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Please note that some models may have a different warranty coverage period. As an example, the Nissan Navara introduced in March 2021 comes with a 5-year warranty or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. You can call your Nissan dealership to inquire about your new vehicle's warranty coverage. Certain car parts have a separate warranty coverage, such as the following. Your car's tires are covered by the tire manufacturer. Your friendly Nissan dealer will assist you in reaching out through the local tire representative. Next is the 12 volts battery that comes with your car is guaranteed for 1 year or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And lastly, service parts and accessories have a warranty period of 6 months from the date of installation or 10,000 kilometers as long as they are installed by a Nissan authorized dealer. Now here's something that you should take note of. While your new car will be covered by its new vehicle warranty for at least 3 years or the first 100,000 kilometers on its odometer, please remember to avoid doing the following things to keep your vehicle's warranty valid. First, the use of improper or dirty fuel, fluids, or lubricants. Second, lack of periodic maintenance services based on Nissan's prescribed schedule. Third, use of non-genuine Nissan parts. Fourth, alteration, tampering, or improper repair. Fifth, periodic maintenance and repairs not performed by an authorized Nissan dealer. Sixth, handling and operation of the Nissan vehicle contrary to the instructions in the owner's manual. Seventh, you must also be informed that vehicles converted as metered taxis are not eligible for any warranty coverage. And finally, it is worth highlighting that Nissan dealers continue to provide warranty coverage for public utility vehicles or PUVs as long as these vehicles haven't been converted to a metered taxi. Whoa! I hope you were able to keep track of all that. But if not, don't worry, you can rest assured as long as you follow our next tip. Take note, the Warranty Information and Maintenance Booklet, or WIMB for short, is there to help keep your brand new Nissan vehicle at tip-top shape. It contains the details of the warranty provisions and provides maintenance information that helps track your car's maintenance history. This is very important whenever your car needs servicing. Next, the owner's manual is there to help you get familiar with your new car. You must read through it to safely operate and enjoy your car to the fullest, whenever and wherever it takes you. Now I can see that you're really excited to go for a drive in your new car. But once you're on the road, you must always remember that when needed, Nissan is always one call away. That's right! Nissan also provides high-quality assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. For 24/7 road assistance, traffic information, towing, and repair services, just dial the NCAC hotline at these numbers. Nissan is always one call away just for you.
But what if I'm in a rush and I need a quick service?
Well, if you're on a tight schedule, don't worry, we got you covered for that too. The NES is a premium while you wait service experience that offers quick and high-quality service. Just imagine a complete PMS while lounging at a comfy waiting area as your car receives premium service from Nissan specialists. Sounds like you'll spend half of your day with us, right? But no, just 60 minutes guaranteed. The NES is available in select Nissan dealerships nationwide. Now, there might come a time when you cannot go to a Nissan dealership near you. Well, you don't have to worry because Nissan has got your back. Service on Wheels, or SOW for short, is an on-demand mobile and customer care service. It is time-saving, convenient, performed by Nissan certified technicians, and always on the go. It offers on-site and roadside services, service caravans, and fleet and PUV servicing. Other SOW offerings include the following. Take note, you can contact our 24/7 Customer Assistance Center at these numbers. Or you can call your nearest Nissan dealership to avail of the service. And there you have it, our top 10 things you need to know as a new Nissan car owner. Now, I'm sure that you are more than excited to take your new car out for a drive. Go ahead and start your new adventure. We'll be seeing you on the road.